Hey, what's up guys? The Galaxy S21 Fan Edition appears in the Geekbench listing. Anyhow, previous leak of the Samsung S21 Fan Edition specs has been backed up by the Geekbench listing. The SMG990B, which is believed to be a variant of the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, pulled up in a 381 on the Geekbench 5 single core score and the multiple score of 1917. According to the listing, the phone is powered by Leona, which is the code name for the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset. So this means that the upcoming S21 Fan Edition is going to be coming with a flagship level processor inside, just like the Galaxy S21 and the S21 Plus devices. The model in the question has a 6 gigs of RAM and runs Android 11. Per the previous leaks, the S21 Fan Edition will come at least with 128 gigs of internal storage. The pared-down version of the Galaxy S21 is expected to fluent a 6.4-inch of Super AMOLED Plus panel with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It will likely feature a centered punch hole, 32-megapixel selfie snapper, and the rear camera array will have 3 sensors, but the specs are mystery for now. The phone will likely powered by a 4500 mAh battery, and in the US it will be eligible to be available in grey, light green, light violet and white hues. It appears to have all the making of a top-notch Android smartphone. The handset will reportedly enter production in July and will be unveiled on August 19, probably alongside with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip. It will hit the market towards the end of the same month. We don't know the price as yet, but given the last year Galaxy S20 Fan Edition was $699 at launch, we can assume its successor will be in a similar ballpark. If Samsung followed the same pricing strategy as the S21 range, it may even cost lower. Another leak that is coming from South Korea is that Samsung set a big sale target for the foldable Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. According to South Korean news channel The Alex reports that Samsung recently set an ambition at internal target to ship between 6 and 7 million units combined of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Flip 3 by the end of the year. The South Korean brand expects the compact Galaxy Z Flip 3 to be most popular foldable, with Samsung aiming for 4 million units. The more expensive Z Fold 3 could reach at 3 million units. The combined total is more than twice the 2.5 million foldable smartphone and Samsung shipped last year. That combined total is more than twice 2.5 million foldable smartphones Samsung shipped last year. So honestly, I think that this is a great ambition. If Samsung put down the pricing of the Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3, then we can expect that the 3 million units can be hit for the Z Fold 3 and 4 million for the upcoming Z Fold 3. As you already know guys, that the Note series is annexed right now and we may not see that particular device this year. Probably in the next year we may see that particular device for the last time, but this year we are not going to see that particular device, and Samsung is relying right now on their foldable devices that they are going to perform. Anyhow, I am pretty much excited about the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, which is coming with a great specification and on a great price tag, and now the Geekbench listing has indicated that it is going to be coming with a flagship level processor. Then this device is going to be absolutely amazing. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion about that? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.